Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
So I just need to cheer you up. What do I do? Oh, I got it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So you don't want to sing. What else? Rex! Come over here. Look, a T-Rex. No, I don't think she got that joke, Rex. Thank you for trying. Well, maybe I should use some Phoebe magic. Join in with me. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Phoebe, Weeby, Bo, Busy, Bop. Oops. Fizzy!
Is everything okay, Phoebe? Whoa, Play-Doh tears. That's awesome.
I still feel so sad.
Sounds like we need some friends to help us, Phoebe.
Yeah, maybe if we learn about emotions, we will know how to help sadness.
Yes. We can make our own DIY Play-Doh emotions. Miss Hands, we're definitely gonna need a hand.
Hi everybody, it's me, Miss Hands. Hi Fizzy and Phoebe. Let's get our Play-Doh ready.
Awesome sauce! We have all of our inside-out friends here.
We can create our first emotion. Let's see who's in the front of the line.
It's joy!
We really need to cheer sadness up. I think of my emotion, joy, like the bright yellow sun. Oh, what a cool idea. We can definitely make some sunshine. And look, we have our yellow Play-Doh here already. So I'm going to take a little piece off like this and make it into a ball. And we're going to roll it out. And I have my very handy little pot here that I'm going to use to cut out our shape. Press it down really hard and give it a twist. And there we have our round sunshine shape. Okay, so now we've done that, we can make the rays. You know, sunshine makes people think of being warm and happy. This is what joy represents. It can feel like a fuzzy feeling inside of energy and excitement.
That's definitely not what sadness is feeling.
No, it isn't.
We're going to give her a nice big smile and some sunglasses. And that's our sunshine complete. This is awesome!
Whoa! Fire!
Don't worry, Phoebe. It's just anger.
No. Does it feel like being on fire?
Well, sometimes when people get really angry, they say that the energy can feel like fire. It can make your face feel really hot. Oh, this gives me an awesome idea. Let's create a flame to describe anger. Okay, we're going to use red and orange Play-Doh. And we're going to start with the red Play-Doh, which needs to be a little bit bigger than the orange so that it looks like a real flame. Anger can be a difficult emotion to control. Sometimes we just need to pause and breathe.
I feel better already.
And that is our flame complete.
Oh, about time.
Ooh, I'm starting to feel better.
Who do we have next?
Oh, not me. I don't want to. What if I get stuck in Play-Doh? That would be a disaster. Oh, what if I see a snake? Oh, I don't like snakes.
I think we should do fear.
Great. And for fear, we should create a snake.
Oh, did someone say snake?
We need purple, red, and black to create a slithery snake. We need to roll out our purple into the shape of a snake, making sure the head is bigger than the tail.
Oh, I really don't like snakes.
Fear is an emotion that can happen because of lots of different things. It can feel like a scary monster inside our tummy. It can make our heart beat fast, our skin sweat, and our body feel shaky. It can creep up on you just like a snake, and that can make us feel scared to do normal activities.
That does sound scary.
Well, we can help calm it down, sometimes by overcoming a fear or by knowing what it is.
Oh, I understand this emotion more now and how to help when someone's feeling scared.
That's great, Phoebe.
Is anxiety the same?
Anxiety can become fear, but it is a different emotion. It can feel like butterflies in your tummy, even when there's nothing obvious to be scared of. It might make you want to hug someone you care about, or it can make it difficult to try new things. Let's create a butterfly for this. Okay, let's add some little polka dots to our wings. Not every emotion is good or bad. It's just a part of feeling lots of different things. One way to help with anxiety is to talk about it. Sometimes sharing our worries can help. Are you feeling better yet, Sadness? I'm so nervous that you're sad. I hope we can help. I am starting to feel better. Ew, this is so cringe.
Disgust? That's not very nice.
It's okay, Phoebe. Disgust can be a strong emotion, and it's very personal. It's that feeling when you see something you don't like. Disgust really doesn't like broccoli, so we're gonna make some.
But broccoli is so yummy.
Yeah, and really good for you.
Exactly. Everyone has different tastes. Some things we really like, and others we don't like as much.
This looks awesome.
And so tasty.
Ugh, do you have to put that near me? Oh. You're laughing. You're feeling joy. Oh, it's nice knowing that we all have emotions and they're never right or wrong.
Exactly, Sadness. Sometimes we can feel lots of emotions at one time.
And that's okay?
Sure. As long as we understand how to manage our emotions, it's more than okay.
I've learned so much today.
Joy.
Anger.
Fear.
Sadness. Anxiety. Disgust.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time.